Welcome to this Oceanview Stateroom aboard the Disney Destiny. With an Oceanview Stateroom on the Disney Destiny, you get the beauty of the sea right through your window. No balcony? No problem. It's all about fresh light and the view. Perfect for families who want comfort, space, and a little more value without sacrificing the magic. Wake up to waves, wind down with the stars. Your next epic escape just got simpler and still unforgettable. To book this stateroom, contact your favorite magical vacation planner today.